Almond milk. We use this in almost all of our recipes. So let's see how to make it. Making homemade almond milk starts with soaking almonds overnight or for 2 to 3 hours in hot water. After that, drain the water. Now, the rest is very simple. Get a blender, add the almonds, add 5 cups of drinkable water, a couple of dates, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend this up until it's well combined and resembles like milk. Now, take another bowl, a strainer, and a cottage cheese cloth. Strain the almond milk through and you will be left with chunks of almond. Squeeze the cottage cheese cloth to remove any remaining milk, and now we're left with almond meal. Don't throw away the almond meal. It can be used for a variety of other recipes. So now pour the almond milk in a glass and have a sip. Let us know what you think about the recipe down in the comment section. Like always, all our recipes will be there on our website. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Happy baking!